Adjectives.
Yansi,
Color.
Hongsi,
Red.
Yansi,
Blue.
Heisi,
Black.
Baisi,
White.
Qingxi,
Orange.
Qixi,
Purple.
Zhongxi,
Brown.
Wangxi,
Yellow.
Yanxi,
Indigo.
Roxi,
Flesh.
Jinxi,
Gold.
Yinxi,
Silver.
Lucy,
Green.
Ruxi,
Cream.
Hoizhongxi,
Beige.
Hoixi,
Gray.
Binghangxi,
Pink.
Xingxuang,
Shape.
Wanxing,
Circle.
Duganxing,
Polygon.
Xiaojiangxing,
Triangle.
Xinfangxing,
Square.
Changfangxing,
Rectangle.
Xianxing,
Heart shape.
Xingxing,
Star shape.
Wanyixing,
New moon shape.
Xixingxing,
Cross shape.
Zhuwanxing,
Ellipse.
Shanxingfan,
Fan shape.
Luxuanxing,
Spiral.
Xudixing,
Water drop shape.
Jixing,
Ladder shape.
Wanxing.
Egg shape.
Question and answer.
你喜欢什么颜色？
我选颜色，开红有几种颜色层面是什么？
最后有其中央是大马，只有星光露西原谅。你到颜色没颜色？
舞蹈颜红色，其实是什么名环境？
是星星。